photoelectric effect is a phenomenon in which electrons are liberated from a cool metal surface when electromagnetic radiation of sufficiently high frequency is incident on the surface. Existence of threshold frequency. There is a minimum frequency below which no photoelectrons will be emitted from the metal surface, regardless of the intensity of the incident light. Since the energy of a photon is given by the product of H and F, photoelectrons will not be emitted if the photon energy absorbed is not sufficient to eject the electron from the surface of the metal. Maximum kinetic energy is independent of light intensity but dependent on the frequency of the light. In other words, the maximum kinetic energy increases with increasing frequency. When the intensity is increased, more photoelectrons are emitted per unit time, but the maximum kinetic energy of the photoelectron remains the same. When the frequency of the photon increases, the photon energy increases. Thus, more energy can be absorbed by the photoelectron, resulting in the increase in the maximum kinetic energy of photoelectron. Instantaneous emission. There is negligible time delay between incidence of light on the metal surface and emission of photoelectrons, even at very low light intensities. This is consistent with the particle theory of light, since there is a one-to-one interaction between electrons and photons. Electrons will be emitted instantaneously once it absorbs the energy from a photon above the threshold frequency.